My name is Justin Troxtel. I've been working with the city of Novi for about 19 years now. I'm glad I got a chance to use the Gardenquake from Orec. Went through our ground really nicely. It's been hard packed and pounded. Soccer players, kids use it. It's a hard ground. We have a small, tiny rototiller. It won't even break this kind of ground here on these soccer fields with all this traffic. Yeah, once we got the initial till through this hard-packed ground, we lowered the depth of it and it chewed through it really fast, really easy. I was very impressed with it. I hope that the city manager and all my bosses with the debt-free city that we live in can get a couple of these and we can put them to use in their parks.